Introducing Manifest, a tool that simplifies interactions with large language models (LLM). Define a function with a name, arguments, return value, and docstring. Manifest calls the LLM for you, returning a response that matches your return type. Installation is easy with pip. Set your OpenAI key and you're ready to go. Examples include sentiment analysis, translation, image analysis, and more. Complex objects and recursive types are also supported. Manifest uses runtime metadata to compose prompts and pass responses. To optimize, name your functions, add type hints, and write informative docstrings. Limitations include no REPL support and specific type restrictions. Initialization is straightforward with ambient LLM credentials. Manifest call an LLM like a function. Lighthouse is a library for video moment retrieval and highlight detection. It supports 7 models and 6 datasets. Lighthouse also supports audio moment retrieval. The library is user-friendly and easy to use. It has an inference API and a Gradio demo for developers. To install Lighthouse, you need to install FFmpeg and PyTorch. The library provides pre-trained weights and feature files. You can also train and evaluate your own models. Lighthouse is licensed under Apache License 2.0. Discover the innovative GRIN-MoE model by Microsoft. This AI model excels in coding and mathematics tasks with only 6 active parameters. It uses sparse mix of E2 for expert routing, avoiding expert parallelism and token dropping. GRIN-MoE is ideal for memory and compute-constrained environments, latency-bound scenarios, and strong reasoning tasks. It's designed for commercial and research use, accelerating language and multimodal model research. Use the command line demo for quick inference or the interactive demo for customized inputs. Compare GRIN-MoE's performance with other models on various benchmarks. The model was trained by Microsoft with a 4K token context length and released under the MIT license in September 2024. Be aware of potential biases and ensure responsible AI practices. Meet Qwen2Math, a series of math-specific language models designed to excel at arithmetic and mathematical problem-solving. Built on Qwen2LLM, these models outperform both open-source and closed-source models in mathematical capabilities. Qwen2Math includes models like Qwen2Math Instruct 1, 5B, 7B, 72B, evaluated against English and Chinese math benchmarks. The largest model, Qwen2Math 72B Instruct, surpasses state-of-the-art models in performance. The base models are pre-trained on a mathematics-specific corpus containing texts, books, codes, and exam questions. Qwen2Math Instruct models are further tuned with a math-specific reward model for enhanced performance. Case studies show Qwen2Math's ability to solve complex math competition problems. Decontamination methods ensure the model's training data is free from overlaps with test sets. Qwen2Math is set to receive bilingual support soon, with multilingual models in development. Meet Qwen2.5, the latest open-source language model from the Qwen family. It's smarter and more knowledgeable, with new models for coding and mathematics. Qwen2.5 comes in various sizes, from 0.5B to 72B parameters. All models except the 3B and T2B are licensed under Apache 2.0. Qwen2.5 models are pre-trained on a large-scale dataset with improved capabilities in coding and mathematics. They also support up to 128K tokens and 8K token generation, with multilingual support for over 29 languages. The specialized Qwen2.5 coder and Qwen2.5 math models have seen significant enhancements. Qwen2.5 coder is trained on 5 trillion tokens of code data, while Qwen2.5 math supports both Chinese and English with advanced reasoning methods. Qwen2.5 models outperform baseline models of similar or larger sizes. They also support long text generation, structured data comprehension, and structured output generation. Qwen2.5 is available through Hugging Face transformers and can be deployed via VLM or Llama. It also supports tool calling templates for enhanced functionality. Qwen2.5 is the result of a collaborative effort with many teams and individuals. The Qwen team is committed to continuous enhancement and innovation in AI.